Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our little fam. So today's video, I know I do a lot of skincare videos like on my channel, especially recently, but I've been in love with skincare, and I finally found products that I like ride or die for. And to be honest, I kind of have a lot. And you're probably wondering, like, why do you need all that? And you're right, I don't need it all, but I love them and they've been working for my skin. And some of these products I've mentioned so many times on my channel, like ever since I started my channel a year ago, and some of them are brand new that I've been loving. So thumbs up for that. So this video is all of the must-have skincare slash like body products that you need in your life. I swear by these. It's an honest, like, these are like all of my honest reviews, I guess you can say. So let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so where to begin? I don't know. So I'm gonna start off with body products since I don't have that many. Love. As you can tell, it's gone. I love this. It's so small and cute. This is the Philosophy Fresh Cream, the Warm Cashmere perfume. So great. It's so sweet, kind of like a little cookie, and I absolutely love this perfume. I'm gonna get the big size eventually, but I got this in a little Christmas gift that my boyfriend's grandma gave to me. And I absolutely love this little perfume. It smells amazing and it's just so fresh and makes me feel so clean whenever I use it. This is great. Let me tell you why. So this is the Nivea In Shower Body Lotion, the cocoa butter. It's a water activated formula and it's great. So I have really dry skin, especially in the fall and winter time here in Arizona. It gets super like cold and dry. It doesn't get cold, but it just gets even more drier than it is in the summertime. And my skin, excuse you, my skin just doesn't like it. My skin goes absolutely crazy, especially in the wintertime. My face goes all weird. I'm very dry, so my skin is very dry, like my face, my body, everything is just dry. So I really love this because it's like an extra moisturizer on top of my moisturizer that I use out of the shower, so like my lotion. This is great. You just apply it while you're in the shower and then you immediately rinse it off, and your skin just feels so much more like moisturized and hydrated. And then I go and apply my regular lotion on top of that and I'm good to go. And my skin just like locks in that moisture, and I really feel like this is such a big step for me, especially in the fall and winter time. It's such a necessity because I have such dry skin, and I feel like it really has helped my dry skin and like keep hydrated throughout the day, especially when I use this and then another lotion. So moving on to the face products, I have a lot and I'm kind of excited about them. So the first thing I want to talk about is kind of new to my collection, but I've been using it and really found a difference, and it is this little guy right here. Just a little jade roller. You just roll upwards, of course, on your face, and it's two-sided, so this one's like for under the eyes, and then this is for all over, and it really just depuffs my face. Especially allergies are the worst right now, so I use this to depuff my eyes, and I use this to depuff my skin, especially in the morning time and also before bed to get my blood flowing. The cool thing about this is you're really supposed to kind of freeze it or put it in the refrigerator so it gets cold, and then use it, and it really depuffs, and it's great. Lips also get super dry in the winter and fall time, so I've been loving this Glam Glow Fizzy Lip Exfoliating Treatment. Absolutely love this stuff. It came in a set with like a lip balm and then the exfoliator, but the exfoliator is honestly my favorite. It smells like mint and it really does exfoliate my lips while tasting good. So that's always a must for me in the winters, to definitely exfoliate my lips because they get so chapped and it's not good. The next is this Kapari Lip Glossy, and I absolutely love this. So this is like a lip gloss, lip balm that has like coconut oil and stuff in it. My boyfriend's mom actually got me this because I would always use hers, and so she got me my own, and I absolutely love this stuff. It's great if you want to just use it as a lip gloss, but you can also use it as a balm, and it really moisturizes and hydrates your lips and stays like that for a long time. And I love that it's a lip balm that has a gloss, so it's not sticky at all, which I absolutely love that. So I can use it as a lip gloss, and I love it. Like, this is like kind of like my everyday chapstick. So the next product is recently new to my collection. If you watch Maggie McDonald and Kaylee, her friend, they talk about this product, and I picked it up, and it's to die for. I have it on my lips right now because it's kind of like a lip mask, but I kind of just use it throughout the day. And it's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and this is just the regular, I think, berry flavor, like their original flavor. I know that they came out with a few. This one tastes like bubblegum. This is the Lip Sleeping Mask, and I love it because I do it before bed and in the morning. And I feel like I really don't have to apply like my lip balm throughout the day or any chapstick. I was always that type of girl who always had chapstick. Always. If I didn't have it, I would go to the store and buy some because it was so bad. Don't worry, I'm just itching my nose. It was a bad obsession, and this has changed my life. My lips have been so moisturized all freaking day that I don't even need the chapstick. And that's why I love this little guy. This is amazing. So you could just use it as a lip sleeping mask. You put it on before bed and you sleep with it on because it's kind of just like a lip balm. But I also do it in the morning time before I head out the door. So that way I don't have to apply chapstick all day. And it's great. I highly recommend. Like, it's the best, and it smells so freaking good. It tastes good, and I really recommend this if you have really chapped lips. I'm gonna talk about this guy, and I've talked about this before on my channel. This is the Pearlescence Rose Hip Balancing Facial Oil, and I got this at TJ Maxx, but the reason why I love this is it's a rose hip oil, and I feel like having any type of facial oil that has rose in it or it's for balancing your skin really does help, and it keeps my skin very hydrated in the winter and fall time when I'm more dry. I also love mixing this into like foundation and making it a little bit more glowy if it's like a matte foundation. I've talked about so many times on my channel, like, Ole Henriksen, freaking sponsor me. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but like, you should sponsor me because I've been talking about these for the past, year, like on my YouTube channel. So this one, as you can see, this is like an old packaging because I found it at TJ Maxx, but it's literally gone. Like, there's literally nothing left. So this is the Truth Serum, which there's literally nothing left. And then this is the Pure Truth Youth Activating Oil. That is a mouthful. Again, these are by Ole Henriksen, and they kind of go hand in hand. So I really use this one in the summertime because it just makes me look so glowy, but I've been using it recently in the fall because, again, my skin is so dry and it really does hydrate. So I put this one on first. This is the Truth Serum, and this is a collagen booster with vitamin C. So your skin loves vitamin C. It soaks it up, and it just keeps it hydrated and so fresh. So I've been loving this, and it really has helped, like, kind of clear up my skin because my skin was missing that vitamin C aspect. So that's why I love it, and I've been through 3 bottles of this already. Kind of like what it says, it's Truth Youth Activating Oil. It has rose hip in it and fruit oil, and it just leaves your skin feeling so glowy. So when you pump it onto your hand, it's a little intimidating because it is orange, but you blend it out and it kind of gives you a little bit of a sun-kissed type of look, but eventually your skin just soaks it up and your face feels so good. And if you use them together, oh, perfect. Literally to die for right now. I recently picked it up from Sephora, and I've been using it every night because it's a sleeping mask, and my skin has really, I've seen a difference in my skin. So This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and it's for glowing radiance and softening. I figured I would try out the small one to see if I like it and if my skin reacts well with it, because I do have really sensitive skin. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. First off, the smell. It smells like a watermelon jelly rancher. Like, it literally smells like watermelon. So it is a sleeping mask, so you do all of your skincare first and then you apply it. And there's two ways you can do it. You can just apply a thin layer and go to sleep, because like your face like soaks it up and it's like dried. You don't have to like, you won't see it. It just like kind of blends in to your face. It's kind of like an oilish type of feel. And you just sleep with it, and then in the morning you wash it off. Or you can apply a thicker layer, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then wash it off. But guys, if you have dry skin, you need this. My skin has never felt softer in my life. I wake up and I'm like, oh my God, it's like a baby's butt, and then I wash my face off and it's like, this is like a baby's butt times 10. Like, it's amazing, and this is probably one of the best masks I've ever tried, hands down. And when I run out of this one, I'm getting the bigger size because it is so worth the money. Moving on to like toner, I only have one toner, and I've talked about this so many times on my channel. I think I have a video also using this. I'm just gonna link all my skincare videos because there's a ton, but this is the Ole Henriksen. Again, Ole Henriksen, sponsor me. Grease Relief Face Tonic, and this is a non-drying antiseptic toner, and it minimizes the appearance of pores and blemishes, which I really feel like it does. It takes off all that grease on your face, all the dirt, and leaves your face feeling very fresh. And the smell is really refreshing as well. It's very strong, very strong. And let's see, is there anything in this causing that strong smell? No. But I usually just do this in the nighttime, but I also will do it in the morning if I wake up and my face is a little bit greasy or oily. But I do this especially at night just to really cleanse my face, make sure every dirt is off, everything. And it really has kept my face pretty clear. So I bought some face scrubs. So I recently picked this one up a few weeks ago, and it's by Mario Badescu, and this is the Almond and Honey Face Scrub. So when you put this on, it kind of looks like a mask, but really it's not. So I really love it. It's a really cool like concept that it kind of looks like a mask, but it's a face scrub, and it really does just like scrub my face and get it nice and clean and refreshed, and it just leaves me feeling clean, refreshed, hydrated, and kind of gives me a whole new face. Like, I absolutely love this, and there's like nothing bad to say about it. And I think this was like $14 for this big tub that has 4 ounces in it. You guys know I absolutely love my Cetaphil products. They're the one product that I've been using for a very long time, and I still use to this day because it's honestly the one thing that really helped my cystic acne like stay away and for my face to be clear. And I still use it, but I found a new cleanser that really has been working really good with my skin. Again, it's by Mario Badescu. I really love all his products. And this is the Enzyme Cleansing Gel. This bad boy here is amazing. It leaves my face so soft. Like, it's perfect for, again, the fall, winter. And it smells great. Like, I love the smell. I don't know, it's like cucumbery. The reason why I really love this cleansing gel is it leaves my face soft, it leaves my face moisturized, and it leaves my face feeling very, very, very clean. And again, it's great for the winter and fall when I have my dry skin, but I just feel like this has also helped my skin stay clear. This is my baby. This is the facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. He has like a whole line of different ones. This one's my favorite. Well, this is the only one I've tried, so it's my favorite. And I just love this spray for a nice pick-me-up, little boost of hydration if I'm feeling a little bit dry. Sometimes I use it under my makeup, I use it over my makeup, I use it on my beauty blender to blend things out. It's just universal, and sometimes I just spray, and I feel like a brand new person. I feel like I have brand new skin. So if I'm feeling a little bit dry, if I'm looking a little powdery, this is my go-to. Lastly, for skincare. I told you I have a ton of products that I literally can't live without. And I've talked about this so many times. And I don't use any other moisturizer than this baby. I've been through 3 bottles and I have another one in my bathroom. And this is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF 15. It's non-comedogenic. I never know how to say that. So it's not gonna clog your pores. Fragrance free, so you don't get irritated. Lightweight, non-greasy, hydrates, nourishes, and protects. Like I've said, my Cetaphil products are a ride or die for me. They keep my face so clear and help whenever I have a breakout. And this is the only moisturizer that I will use because I have such sensitive skin, and I feel like this is the only moisturizer that really works for me. I'm kind of afraid to try other moisturizers, which I'd be down to, but I really want to try the La Mer, but I'm not willing to spend $168. So my Cetaphil will have to do. It's $15 and it keeps my skin clear. And I can't say anything bad about it because I've obviously been through 4 bottles, but if you have sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin, really just try out the Cetaphil line. It really will change your life. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I love all these products. They really have helped me. I don't use every single one of them every day and every second of the day, but I do use them over the course of a week, of the week and stuff like that. And it's great, and I just feel like my skin has really never been this good before. Like, it's really at its peak. I hope it stays that way and doesn't take a turn, you know? So I'm super excited, and I'm really excited to be sharing these with you because people always ask me about how I have really nice clear skin, and it never was like that. I mean, I always had somewhat clear skin, and I'd have like pimples, you know, here and there, but it was never consistently just clear, and I just feel like now it is. So that is my secret. Give it a big thumbs up. I have really fun videos planned for you guys. I'm going to LA tomorrow, so Friday, and I'm going to Six Flags, I'm going to Malibu. It's gonna be a fun time, so I'm gonna be vlogging, I'm gonna do lookbooks. We're gonna have some shoots with my new clothing company, White Malibu, and that stuff, so stay tuned. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!